made of polycarbonate thermoplastic material to provide durability, flexibility, and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Heat and fade resistant to temperatures over 100 degrees, which protects them against discoloration and fading over time. Flammability UL94, V2 rating. Easy replacement of any wall plate of the same configuration. Dimensions: 4.50 height by 10.03 length. Smooth finish without recessed lines and soft edges, allows for easy cleaning. Includes screws to match the wall plate, UL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdily built panel. I had 3 out of 5 empty switch bays on this panel, but the presence of wired junctions prevented being able to drop to a 2-switch panel and drywall over the otherwise empty bays. The panel withstood twisting needed to attach and tighten the caps for the empty bays while also attaching the plate to the electrical box without cracking. It looks much better than what the previous residents had, and safer.